See this pool behind me here? I got a situation. I have an old light that's supposed to like rotate colors. You're supposed to be able to control it and change the colors, that kind of stuff. Doesn't work anymore. It's just super bright now. So I wanted to put something on to dim it and give it some color. I like that blue color, so here it is. I have bought this blue lens. I am gonna go jump in the pool right now, stick this on there, see. It's always a bit interesting for me to try to get these things to fit in right. The larger ones, I've done some larger ones, you might even be able to see it back there, and they fit in the light fixture really easy. These smaller ones seem to not fit in the Pentair fixtures so well. So I'm gonna first try it using the normal clip-on method. If that doesn't work, I'm going with this. But what do you say we get in the pool, put it on, see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Let's go do a repair. All right, here we go. All the ingredients we need to do this. Got a GoPro, goggles, a new lens, epoxy. Let's fix her up. What the hell's wrong with these things? There are two choices there. Either that is the complete wrong application of this, or it's a terrible product. One of the two. I don't know what the answer is. Didn't work in my situation. Did make a mess in the hot tub. Didn't even stick it a little bit. Could totally be my wrong impression of how to use it. H2 hold epoxy. Supposed to be waterproof. Marine H2 epoxy. Didn't stick anything. Just made a mess. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.